no? So this could possibly signify a control shift. This is the chart of Bitcoin, daily chart of Bitcoin. Yesterday, remember the breakout. We told you that we need to confirm from this breakout. Sabi natin, gusto natin makakita ng long green candle na above 116, which is the previous swing high. Hindi tayo binigyan. Ang binigay sa atin is instead of long green, binigyan tayo ng control shift candle. Ito minsan tinatawag nila na topping tail candle. Okay? Ano po nangyari dito sa kandila na to? From green candles, or this series of green candles, final green candle pinush ng bulls, di ba? Yung price going up, and then yung last attempt niya near the resistance area, nandun pala yung mga bears. Pagsalubong ng mga bears, ayun, tinulak pababa, and it closed near its low. Kaya po mas mahaba ngayon yung wick ng candle, yung tail ng candle sa ibabaw. Kaya tawag nila topping tail, no? So this could possibly signify a control shift. Control shift means from bulls taking control, nag-pause yung market. Kung today makakakita tayo ng red candle na, possible na magkaroon ka ng control shift and market might correct and retest your previous breakout point, probably dito sa area, itong trend line, no? Breakout retest. So, yun po yung posibleng gawin ng market. Pwede bang manigate yung control shift candle na yan, Tito? Pwede bang basagin natin yan? Opo, para manigate po yan, price needs to trade above it. Yung 116,485, yan po. So, dito na natin lalagay. So, kailangan mag-trade above that control shift candle. Once ginawa ni Bito yan, ando na. Makikita mo yung strength yan. Hahatawin yan. Diba? Magkakahatawan dyan once na ginawa ni Bito yan. Until that happens, okay, you'll probably see Bitcoin sideways with downward bias movement hanggat hindi binabasag yung dulo ng control shift candle.